What I'm going to do very quickly is show you how to export a model from Blender to a 2D image so that you can put that into your website. So the first thing you need to do is open up Blender, and once you've got Blender open, you want to open up your model. Okay, inside your model you'll notice that you've got some lights, so there's those stick type things. I want you to right click on that light so it turns orange, push X on your keyboard and then push delete, and repeat that for any other lights you have. What we now need to do is we need to add a hemi light into the middle of our object. So to do that we hold down the shift key and then push A. What I now need to do is I need to select lamp and I need to go down to hemi. I need to push G on my keyboard and I need to put that so that it's about in the middle of my shape. Okay, so I just rotate around my shape to make sure that it's in the middle. Okay, and I can bring it down a little bit so it looks like an umbrella. What I now need to do, and now this is tricky, so it's important that you follow all these instructions, otherwise this won't work. You need to push N on your keyboard. You need to click lock camera to view, so make sure that you have a tick next to lock camera to view. What you now need to do is you need to go File, User Preferences. Once in User Preferences, what you need to do is you need to go Interface, Rotate Around Selection. Okay, now because I'm using a laptop, I'm just going to make one other setting, but you won't have to worry about that setting while you're at school. So make sure that you have Rotate Around Selection selected. It's very important. Okay, what we now need to do is we need to push 0 on our numpad. Okay, 0 on our numpad. So that's not the keys above the letters, that's the keys on the right hand side of your keyboard. Push 0, and what I want you to do is I want you to, now you can scroll around your picture. What I want you to do is focus in, okay, and you can see what it's going to take a photograph of. On the right hand side, where you have all your different tools, I want you to click on the camera. I want you to scroll down and make sure that you have PNG selected. And what I want you to do now is hit the image button. And it's going to render that as an image. Down the bottom of the screen, click image, click save as image. Okay, and you need to navigate to where you saved your website folder. Okay, if you're on the school computers and you saved on the school network, it would be on the H drive. The H drive. Alright, so I'm just going to go website, images, save it in there. I'm going to call mine box, click save as image, and we are done. What I now need to do is I need to open up Fireworks. Okay, once I'm inside Fireworks, what I need to do is I need to open up my picture of my product, okay, from my website folder. So File Open, Website Images, go Box. Okay, what I want to do now is click on my magic wand, click on that grey background and push delete so that I can make my image transparent. What I now need to do is use my crop tool, draw a box around my object and double click. Now I just save that. And I can quit Fireworks. Alright, now we now need to open up our website. Okay, open up our web page. Click inside the AP div tag where we want to put our picture, and then go Insert, Image, find your picture, which should be in your website folder. Okay, now because this is another web page I created previously. It's coming up with those error messages just because it wasn't saved in the right file. But because you've done it right, it should be all good. And your picture will show up. So that's all there is to exporting your image from Blender and putting it into Dreamweaver.